All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Solomon, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to print a business card, okay, using this. Okay, so we are going to use Epson L05, Epson L805, okay, and we are going to use this card, and also we have this that we are going to print on it. So without further ado, let's see how. And also I have my template here. I will leave a link so that you can get access to this, and you can also follow along and be able to print. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so first of all, I have my design here. So let me open this, and I'm going to click and drag this into Photoshop. So click and drag this into Photoshop. Let's leave it over here. And then let's position this guy here. All right, then let's make a duplicate from here. So right click and you will see duplicate layer. So here is it. Let's click on OK. And I'm going to move this one all the way down just like this. You can also use the arrow keys. Then let me hide the ones behind it. And when you come to your printer, remove this. So you can see this arrow over here. So this is the slot for this, okay? So this one, you have to buy it in addition so that you can use it to print. And normally it comes with a CD on, but we want to use it to print ID card, so you need this. So let's remove this one, then place it somewhere, and then we are going to bring it on top just like this. Okay, so I'm going to clip it here just like this. Then let me remove the paper over here, and I'm going to insert this one over here just like this. Okay, so first of all, let the printer know that we are going to print using this. So first of all, we can push it in and make sure you have this one aligned here. So this is L805, okay, and the printer is L805. Don't choose this one. You can also use it to print on this, okay. That's L81, L810, L850. Okay, so let's align this one here. But before that, let's input these guys in. So we have to insert two of them, one here, then also one is going to be here as well. All right, then let's push this one here just like this. Make sure it is in perfectly. The same thing apply here. It's in. Let's align again. All right, then when I come here, Control plus P, or let's go to File over here. File, then let's choose Print. So File, then we have Print over here. Let's wait for the pop-up. All right, so once you get this screen, if you use your Epson printer settings, like we have the Epson L805, it's not going to print. So all you need to do is to download this one. That's Epson Stylus Photo R260 series, okay? R260 series. And then let's select that, okay? So I'm going to select this. So you can see we have the photo 1500 series. So let's select the 260 series, and then let's come here. So when you come to the printer settings, you are going to see, let's choose photo, and let's choose CD or DVD, And let's come here and we are going to also select A4. Okay, so let's select A4 over here. So in case you choose this, okay, so let me show you. If you choose the L05, and then let's go to settings, printer settings, and see what is going to come. You can see with this one, when we come here, so I'm trying to change the settings over here. So when you come here, you can see we don't really have the CD option here, but first of all, let me change it to premium and let's see what we are going to get. Okay, so let's change the photo type to premium and let's come here. So when we come here, you can see that we don't have this one, so we can choose the CD over here. But when we choose the CD over here, this one is going to fade out. We can't really select A4 over here, and we can select CD over here. So we can't choose the A4 size over here, and we are limited over here. So that is why you will need to, first of all, download the series. Okay, so we have the R260 series over here. Then let's come to the printer settings. Then let's choose photo and let's choose CD over here. Okay, so it's saying that plain paper cannot be CD. So let's change this one to premium glossy and let's choose CD over here. And then let me open this and see. Let's choose CD instead. Okay, CD and let's choose A4 over here. Then photo, click on OK and let's come down just like this, and let's choose fit to printer settings and click on OK to print. So you can see it is going to start working now. So if you don't get the R260, this is not going to work. R260 printer settings. So you can see that it is starting. So you can see it's going inside. It's going inside just like this. All right. So let's wait for it to do its thing. So I guess it has started printing. You can see the printout is coming. It's coming out so beautifully. So you can you see that? All right. But initially, this wasn't what I was trying to print. So I'll go to my pen drive. I have something that I also like to print. So let me show you. But I will leave a link to this PSD file so you can get it and also use it as well. Okay. So on my drive, I have this image that I want to print. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is so nice, amazing. So from here, just remove this from the tray. Okay, just like this. Just like this. Okay, so let me print what I wanted to print. Let's insert it. So push it, make sure it is aligned perfectly, just like this. And let's give the command. So Control P, and let's click on the print and see the magic. All right, so it's coming back, it's going forward. All right, and it has started doing its own thing. So it's trying to figure out where everything is, and it's going to start printing very soon. It's printing now. All right, so this is how the printout came out to be like. Very, very nice and sleeky. So we can also print the same thing at the back. So let's remove this one, turn it around just like this. Let's remove this one as well. Okay, so there is a hole here that you can just push it and then you turn it around. So this is how it came out. Let's turn it around and print the same thing at the back. So push it, push, just push. It will go inside, push just like this. Then let's bring it out just like this. And let's give it a command. So Control P on the keyboard for the print window, and let's print 1. So you see that this is coming back. It will go inside. All right. All right. So it's going to start printing. All right. So you see it has started the printing. All right. So just like this, you can see that this is doing wonders and it is printing. So Epson L805 printing ID cards. You see the outcome over here. Very nice. The same thing applies to this. I haven't printed here yet, but I'll print over there soon.